Hello everyone, welcome to Robotics Live. Today, we're showing you this workpiece with circular fillet welds. Fillet welding is a high-frequency scenario in welding operations. However, the combination of circular structures and workpiece tolerances has long been a major challenge for traditional robot-programmed welding. Inconsistent tolerances directly lead to undercutting, quality failures, high rework rates, and project delays. Robotics' intelligent welding solution breaks through this dilemma directly. 3D vision scanning point cloud technology accurately captures the workpiece contour and automatically plans the optimal welding path. Whether it's circular fillet welds or straight welds, path adaptation is zero error. Even when welding 10,000 workpieces continuously, there's no undercutting or defects throughout. With a stable pass rate, this fundamentally guarantees welding quality, reduces costs, and boosts efficiency. On-site tests speak for itself. Intelligent welding is solid strength. Follow Robotics for more solutions to welding challenges.